Over the years, standing desks have become quite popular among PC users due to their excellent ergonomics and adjustability. While they have been widely used for the active workstation category, now they have plenty of other implications such as laid-back gaming. Precision L-shaped standing desk from Eureka Ergonomics is a sleek-looking gaming desk with an ergonomic design, durable build quality, and loads of gaming-oriented features to make your relaxing sessions wholesome. In this video, we will be putting it to the test to figure out whether it lives up to its potential. So, without further ado, let's get started. The officially licensed Call of Duty desk from Eureka Ergonomics is a thing of charm. The carbon fiber surface measures about 60 inches wide and 39 inches deep, making it spacious enough for your gaming keyboard and mouse. Moreover, the L shape of it makes you utilize most of your corner space while providing you with enough room to keep your additional accessories. It also happens to have a 38-inch wide monitor riser on top that can accommodate 2 monitors for dual display setup. As the base is made of high-quality aluminum and can sustain up to 220 pounds of weight, you can stay rest assured about your device's safety. The 4 adjustable leveling feet underneath ensures excellent stability for the entire structure regardless of how uneven the surface is. As for its adjustability, this perky desk has been equipped with dual motors on each stand which lets you tweak the height settings from 29 inches to up to 48 inches while making minimal noise. All you gotta do is press the dedicated buttons on the Smart Height Adjustment controller located at the front. Apart from that, the Smart Controller Hub also has a display for precise adjustment, 2 programmable presets, and 2 USB-C ports that will come in handy while charging up your devices. You can set the height down for a laid-back gaming experience or set it higher for a standing productive work hour with minimal body strain. Additional features include a built-in headphone hook that lets you effortlessly mount your gaming headset and free up more space in the process. This, together with the side cable management system and magnetic cable ties, lets you create a clutter-free gaming atmosphere. And lastly, we also want to mention this desk includes Warzone mousepad and controllable RGB lighting that lets you set the vibe of gaming by syncing it with the rest of your setup. All things considered, Precision L-shaped standing desk from Eureka Ergonomics is indeed a remarkable gaming desk. It has an amazing level of versatility, wide adjustments, and gaming aesthetics to make your gaming sessions wholesome. So, if you're in for a high-quality L-shaped desk without hurting your wallet, we highly recommend this one for you. So, that was all about the Precision L-shaped standing desk. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.